Hi, Namaskara. Thank you for supporting our initiative, Namma Ganesha. Today, I'm going to show you the contents of the kit. Now that all of you have received your kits, the Ganesha kit along with the Gauri. So, this video is going to help you how to use the kit after the puja is done. So, the kit contains a Ganesha, Gauri, some of you have received a Gauri, a cocoa peat brick, some seeds and a grow bag. Before we begin the Ganesha immersion, let's prepare the cocoa peat brick. So this is the cocoa peat brick. Please remove the cover. So inside you have a brick like this. So take a bucket of water, fill it with half a level of water and immerse this into the bucket. Within 5 to 10 minutes, the cocoa peat brick is going to disintegrate and you will start getting this powdery form. Now make sure you squeeze this well so that you get a dry form of cocoa peat. So this is how you look. So the cocoa peat brick which we added, once put into water, will expand like this. So now our cocoa peat in powder form is ready. So from that brick, we have got so much of cocoa peat. Now our Ganesha is also ready for Visarjan. Let's immerse the Lord. Within half an hour time, the Ganesha has disintegrated. You can see all the clay sediments have settled at the bottom. Now let's prepare the grow bag. Now we take the cocoa peat, we fill this grow bag up to 3/4 mark. Now the grow bag is ready. Now let's take the clay sediments from the bottom of the bucket. This is how the clay sediments will look like. Take them and add it to the cocoa peat mix. Now to this, take the seeds, add few seeds, take the rest of the cocoa peat, just cover the top layer. Water can be used to water your other plants. You can also use this to water your trees if you have them in your street. So now that the cocoa peat, the pot is ready, you can grow nice plants with them, with the seeds given to you. It needs to be immersed the same way and utilized the same way. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have got an understanding how to use the kit. If you have any issues using the kit, please do call me or message me. I'm always there to help you. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you. Namaskara.